Hello friends, today we'll discuss cultivation practices of ginger. Myself Professor Y.R. Kadam, Department of Horticulture, KK College of Agriculture, Nasik. Its introduction of our ginger. Ginger is an important commercial crop grown in the aromatic zone, aromatic rhizomes, which is used both a spice and a medicine. Ginger of commerce is the dried rhizomes. It is a market in different forms such as a raw ginger, dry ginger, bleached dry ginger, ginger powder, ginger oil, ginger oleoresin, ginger oils, ginger candy, ginger beer, ginger bring ginger wine, ginger squash, ginger flake, etc. Ginger is the rhizome of Gingiva officinalis growth, a herbaceous perennial belong to the Gingiveraceae and is believed to native of southeastern Asia. It is propagated through rhizome. Botanical description of ginger. Botanically, it is known as Gingiva officinalis, family Gingiveraceae, origin Southeast Asia. Genus Ginger and species Officinalis. Chromosome number of ginger is 2n is equal to 22. Plant part use rhizome. Pungency gingerol. Jamaican ginger is considered the best in the world. Trade as second Indian ginger. Soil and climatic requirement for ginger cultivation. Ginger grown in warm and humid climatic condition. It is mainly cultivated in tropics from sea level to an altitude about 1500 mean sea level, and it can be grown both under the rain-fed and irrigated condition. For successful cultivation, ginger required moderate rainfall at the sowing time till the rhizome spores, fairly heavy and well distributed showers during the growing period, and dry weather for about a month before harvesting. Ginger, ginger thrives the best in well decomposed soil, well drained soil like sandy or clay loam, red loam or lateritic loam. A friable loam rich in humus is ideal. Some important varieties of ginger growing in different part of country, that is Jamaica, China, Generio, Yahad, Suruchi, Surbi, Suprabha, Maran, Karakkal. These are the varieties. Propagation and planting. The crop is propagated through rhizome citrate 1500 kg per hectare. Planting. At the time of planting, applied 25 gram of powder neem cake and mix well with the soil in each pit. Ginger is a plant in row 250 centimeter apart, 25 centimeter above at a distance of 20 to 25 centimeter within the row. In the case of the irrigated crop, ridges made in 40 to 45 centimeter apart and planting distance in shallow pits on the top of the ridges and at distance of 22 to 30 centimeter. Bites of seeds rhizome weighing 20 to 30 gram each and having a when at least one buds are planted at the given spacing. Manure and fertilizers. Ginger required heavy manuring application of well-rotted cow dung or compost at the rate 2.5 to 3 tons per acre may be made as a basal dose while planting the rhizome in the pits. In addition, application of neem cake at the rate 8 to 800 kg per acre also desirable. FOM 30 tons per hectare and fertilizer dose 150 kg of nitrogen, 50 kg of phosphorus and 50 kg potash should be applied in per hectare area. Irrigation requirement for ginger. Proper drainage channels are to be provided in the inter-row. The drain of stagnant water. Irrigation is given as a varying interval of 4 to 10 days as and when required. Harvesting of ginger. The crop is ready for harvesting in about 8 to 10 months depending upon maturity of variety. When fully mature, the leaves turn yellow and the pseudostem begin to dry. Rhizome, rhizome are lifted either with a digging fork or with a spade. They are clean of root and adhering soil particle. Yield of ginger is 10 to 15 tons. Rhizomes per hectare should be harvested. Thank you.